Hello everyone. So my name is Vikas Kumar Gaurav and I have created a smart campus app, a full stack website for college, schools and university to manage their internal organization, their fee structures, their subjects, their curriculums and all the things happen and that need to be in all views and all the information should be in everyone's mind. So what is going in the college? So let's start discuss what we I have made and so this is my project. I have opened two tabs. So one is for a student view and one is for admins or faculty view. So let's start from the login. So here I open admin panel. So let's start. This is the admin panel. I slightly reduced the size of the tab so you consider this is the admin panel. And here I open a student portal. So log in here also. And this time I have saved all the passwords in so that I don't need to remember. So let's decrease its size also. So here is the dashboard. So first dashboard will be view seen from where a person or a student admin can navigate to all the things. So dashboard is the basically the last thing all the developer made. So dashboard is the collection of all the things that is shown in a small view. So let's start what are the things which is complete. So let's start from the bottom. This is the hackathon sections. This is incomplete. Incomplete means basically this is ever not made because hackathons page I will made it later. So let's go to the results. So today results is basically a MCQ type where teacher, admin, faculty can submit a small, medium size, large size, a small or medium or large, small, medium, and hard type of puzzles that need to be solved by the student, and admin can also solve it. So let's one of the question I don't read it, just uh, it and trial. So basically, the faculty adds MCQ where you have to solve a and question and option four option and one is solution. And here it's a student portal, so this can be solved by according to. So admin and faculty can create a new riddle, but the student can only see it. So let's start make a new riddle. So let's do a question. What is 3 into 2? This is the basically simple question. So option will be 1, 2, 3, 6, and the correct option. So submit the riddle. Here I got the message riddle created successfully. So let's come to the riddle section. So basically you will see that the riddle has come, and in the student portal let refresh it. So in a student section you can see the riddle has completed, and when I choose the correct option, so correct. So basically, this does not send data to the backend, but the question and options are coming from the backend. So let's go to the next section, complaint and suggestion. So a student in the university college, so many, most of the students fear to tell the truth and the complaints or they did not want to give suggestions. So basically, I have made a complaint and suggestion page in which students can submit their complaints and suggestions to the their designated faculty. So here you can see that this is the earlier complaint and suggestions that I have made for the testing purpose. Let's I see you. So in the admin faculty, also come to the complaint and suggestion sections. Here you can see that all the complaints are here to see the one most of the important thing that the only a student can create a new complaint. So faculty faculty is the topmost level on the uh, university or and college. So if you teachers and faculty have to complain, they can directly go to the admins or the administrative. But the in a student, you can complain in let's here make a complaint. I want to complain like I want to. So this is not a complaint. This will be a suggestion. So I choose a suggestion, and it did not need to be submit an image, but anyone want to submit a complaint image like there is no tap water. They have to show that the water is not coming from tap. So you can submit, but this time I submit without image. So in admin panel, you can see it that the complain I want to go to Manani, but there is no summer vacation in Simej. So once admin see it, they can comment on it and want to whatever want to take action on the complaint or suggestion. Where it comes to suggestion, there in bottom it will return a request, or if it is a complaint, it will write a priority feedback. So let's come to the lost and found section. So in most of the university, there is a huge campus. So a student can often lost their materials and copies and anything. So I have created lost and found page where everyone can. Oh, I have not given a add complaint section. My mistake. But I have created it. So don't worry, I will later add this. So in this page, users, admins, and faculty, anyone can add their lost item, or if he or she found materials and anything items, he can add it to it. So the destinated the um owner of that product can contact. I have added a WhatsApp contact. So if you want to contact, it will redirect to their WhatsApp group, WhatsApp mobile number. So let's open this. So if the number is right, that will open that, and if the number is wrong, the pop-up will become. So I have add a image if the found item they can place email so that their real owner can see it and raise a hand that I have lost it. That's my product, and they can communicate over the WhatsApp and basically the what happens in a real life. So next is examination. So in this section, I try to make a use type. Exam section like a Google quiz section where you have given questions and multiple choice questions, so you can make them the responder email are saved, and it's basically type of exam like where the student can submit their examinations, their response are saved, and whatever that will be added to this. So this is not complete basically. So in subject, users can get the all the subject of their event. So this is the admin panel. So this is the total number of course taught in that university. So this 96 subject found, and if we come to the student portal, there is only six subjects. This is this semester and year, and that is found. So basically, if we come to the this drop down, it's only BCA and semester one. So this is the basically this is his semester subjects. While in the admin panel, all the courses which are in his university all he can choose like BBA. So BBA has 48 subjects, and also I can choose semester wise. So semester one has six subjects, semester two has six subjects, semester three has six subjects, and the destinated or the faculty of that subject is here written. So I have also made edit and delete options which can be used in later. So let's move to the notice. So in notice, university can post their notice and um, use it how they want to. So this is also not complete by the way. So let's come to event section. So in event section, university, colleges, and schools, whatever, um, they can post events um, like let's show event exclusive fast food event. So in this college can post their events that on this day we are organizing a event on May 27, 2025. Fast food competition is organized and whom you can contact and how all the events details are here. So when you click on view details, you can see the details of that events. And admin and faculty can create a new event. So this is the create event page. It is similar like how we add complaints. So let's move to the library section. So this is the most interesting part of this project, libraries. So same here, fundamentals, and we can add libraries and students can see. So this is the book section. So in library, you basically know that there cannot be multiple books. Max is it's 10 books, 20 books, but the number of students are more than that. At a single time, like 100 students cannot get a same book. So here it solves ebook where you can at the home anywhere you can just open it and you can read. So this is a PDF version of how you can read the just like we'll don't talk. I when I click on it, so a PDF will open where I can read it. So what will its main benefit? Its main benefit will be when uh, students and admin faculty wants a regular newspaper and you can say that a premium member of that reading or a reader a habitual reader that can be help a reader to daily read newspaper or any books. Just I take an example. If I have a habit of reading a newspaper, so owning a newspaper in a particular language, just like English, it's not possible because in Patna you can get a easily English newspaper. But if I go to any place, it is not available in that region. So here, e-PDF or e-book can help. So here you can read it. Let's go back and try to add a book. So I will add today's newspaper. Writer, my name, genre, newspaper, description, no. I will choose a file, Indian Express, upload PDF. So this will take a time because it's upload PDF and the PDF now generate to the emails and that will be uploaded on the BlackBerry after compression. So this will take times and at night the internet speed is low. You know about that. So let's wait for that. By the way, let's check is the recording is going or not. Oh, it's going. So let's keep thing uploading and we come to here. I also add a pagination and um, number of book you want to see. So basically like getting more data from the server can be costly. Let's say I want that the user want to read any book, so this is not a valid point to send all the data from the server. Let's assume I have 2000 books, but sending 2000 books at a collection can be time consuming. It can increase the server cost. So, and let's assume that the user want to read any book. So it's not a valid concern. So I add a pagination where users can get only the limited number of books at a time. This will cost servers. This will save server cost and uh, also enhance the user's experience. So here you can see where the PDF is uploaded. Let's refresh it. So here you can see that this is the today's newspaper. The image will be generated after. It's depend on your internet connectivity. Here my internet connectivity is totally lull हो गया है. So let's open this. Let's keep this opening and move to the next section. So here I have got PYQs and notes. So in this page, users can get previous year questions and the internal exams, monthly test, and notes if provided by the college. So let's assume I have BCA and year one. PYQs, I want to get PYQs and discover. So I get all the PDFs available at the branch, at the category of previous year question. So 2024 English, this is the PYQ. Let's assume I want to get notes, to discover notes. So if there will be notes available, I can get notes, and if there is no resource available, I get no resource available. So one more thing, you can add new resources. Let's assume I want to add notes. Year first BCA, choose a file. Let's assume I want to add a file. Can we add this? Let's add this. This is not a valid no. This is not a notes, but whatever PDF I found, just uploading, and you can. So PDF uploaded. It's come back. Um, I was in BCA year first. PYQ is not notes. Let's. This is the notes that I uploaded here, and let's open this. So the internet connectivity. So in ebook, you can see that how the PDF opens. So this is skip it. This will open, and in the PYQs of student can give their PDF on the basis of semester and the department in which he is. He cannot get the PYQs notes of any other department or semester. So let's move to the next classwork. So in classwork, admins and students can see all the different things. So let's see. Uh, Here I have two students and admin dashboard. So admin class. So in classwork, students can see the post that the faculty has posted related to their classwork. So in this admin, we can see that the Sakshi Patel has posted his faculty posted a 3D animation for the class BCA and semester one. So Nishti is a student of BCA and semester one. So she get only the classwork of BCA semester one, which is his classwork. And the other classwork that the Sakshi Patel has put for BCA semester five will be not shown. So the student their classwork will be shown to them, not the others. And um, for the admins, everyone can see what the teacher has posted. So this is the admin panel, and Sakshi Patel's, and this is more teachers. Um, you can see that the teachers have posted a different classwork, the structure of brain, AWS structure. So admins can see that what the teacher is doing. Um, do they teaching what they do in what they are teaching in the class, and the main benefit of this system is that the students which are absent from their class can get the classwork um, which is taught in the class. So let's move to the attendance section. So in attendance section, admin and faculty can create attendance, but the a student can see only his student. This page in the um, this page is not completed, so this is just showing the student attendance portal. But in the attendance management, admin and faculty, you can just select department, semester, and the subject on which you have to make the attendance. I have filled the student, and here you can say and semester on that subject will become just like I want to make Gopal present, Mystery present, absent. You can do all this by if everyone is present, just mark all present. If everyone is absent, mark all absent, and all and this will not mark. So let's make all present. Here you can see that the number of present student here 30. Total number of student is 30, and the present student is 30, absent is 0. If you want to make all absent, and mark on it that 30 will be marked. And let's assume all I have marked absent, but one is absent, Isa is absent. So if the collection is large, I have only here 30 students. Let's assume I have 150 students. So finding Isa is complex. So I have added a search student panel where I can search Isa, and here, boom, Isa is here. So you can directly make present and absent on the basis of um, search. And if I want to show all the absent students, so this is called ISA, and when mark it present, ISA will be disappear from here. So this will a bonus point for the attendance makers. You can see that the total number of present. Let's assume all mark absent, so 0 out of 30 students are present. So this will add a benefit for the faculty that is taking attendance. Let's assume I have want to save the attendance. I save the attendance. Attendance will be saved. So this is all about, and dashboard is not completed. I have already showed you. So this is the responsive website. Let's move to the original view. This is the tab view. When I come to this is the mobile view, and here you mobile response net. So let's um, close this tab, and now this video is completed. There is more I have to work on, that is profile hackathon. This is not completed, by the way. I have already tell you fee section and attendance section. So basically in the attendance section, it is um, a master thing to do. Making attendance is quite challenging because this is the most important thing that you cannot do a mistake. All those are in the today's riddle complaint section, lost section. I have already make a present on this, so this is quite easy for me. But the attendance section is you how working on a tabular thing. So and this time I am working on the Postgres, so it is quite challenging for me. And this project already have taken a month for me, and next 5 to 10 days it will be completed, and after that it will be posted on the AWS. And let's assume we have to buy a domain and test it. So bye bye.